The opening ceremony has finished, and now we are ready to kick off the first ever time in Season 8. The Clipchamp Stadium Eclectic Observatory hosted by Galaxies. Our first event ever of Season 8 is a classical event. Balancing. All you do is go down this balance beam to the catch basin. 390 is the total score you can get. If your host are starting us off down this balance beam to the end. Let's see how the Galaxies will go this time. So here they are, the Galaxies are off. One's off, but two finishers. And 349. We here will be our first mark. Nobody's gone. Fireworks. Championship winners from last time. And this is gonna be 352. So that will take the lead for now. It's now the Electric Eels who barely lost last season, but they want to do better this season. 348. There will be provisional last right now, so Sparkling Waters, who win the championship fight for the whole season. But this is going wrong for them. And 333. Not what this team wanted. Go at the catchback in the next event. Now Neon Paws, who won the showdown last time, completely goes wrong for them. 302, they're last. How about the Cheese Balls? Oh, one finisher, but 322. 5th place, second to last. It's now the cold theme team. Snowballs. One looks good right now. And this is gonna be a good score, and that's third we hear. They will take it from the Electric Eels. And the Snowballs are going to be up there for the first event of the season. The Golden Gems. It's good to see them back in the lead, but they will get 5th out of 8. So, not the greatest start to everyone, but yeah, Honeybees, who won the qualifiers, and they will get 2 finishers. And they will go second, we hear. So what a great start for them. So now we have the Sneakers. First time ever in the last one game. Well, in the official league anyway. And then we get the 2 finishers. And then we hear that would take second. So the host will not get a medal today, but they could get a top half finish, which will be amazing for them. Misty Mystics. They had a great performance in the qualifiers, but not a great showing in the first event of the season. Hawaiians. So where can they go? 4th. So just off the podium. So that's good for them. Oh, Rangers. Also first time competing in the last most standing games. Oof. Yeah, they probably want to forget about this one. But again, this is just the first event. So anything could happen. It's now the Zebras. So where can they go? 6. So that's actually a top 8 for them to start off the season. Volcanoes. This is a shocker for everyone. And 13th. Start off. this league. And now, Sneakers and Pirates have gone to your podium. What about the Burning Flares? And they get all 3 finishers. And that is worthy of a gold medal. Burning Flares will get the gold in the first event. Fireworks will get the silver. Sneakers and bronze, and that's the first event of season 8 done. We'll be back again for the second event, the hurdles. And then the showdown will start. Who will win the season? Who will lose? We'll see you for the second event.